You alright?
Yeah, this boy had to burning pretty good on this side. I had to smelling bacon and sausage.
Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where is
Alright, you can go ahead and try it.
You hit that damn can.
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all. So I was told this truck ran just fine the last time it was parked. And of course, we confirmed that the scientific way with a can of starter fluid. Now here's where it gets interesting. The last thing done before it got parked, a fuel pump replacement. Let's get under it and see what really happened.
Hey, park those.
I think we found the issue that fast.
So my follow-up question was, who did it? His response, one of them Heron heroes. Listen, y'all, when it comes to cars, don't cheap out. These folks use speaker wire to wire this.
So y'all can see with these wires hanging, this is a wiring nightmare. I think somebody just miswired it, so I'm finna use this Milwaukee battery. Oh.
Not now. If I can get Jupiter, do it, but you know.
Oh, yeah.
You got the right equipment, you know. So.
That equipment is everything.
Yeah. You know, they gonna want to cry. You see this, they gonna want to clean it up in it. They gonna want to cry. They gonna see them balls hanging there. They don't know what they'll read.
I ain't hearing nothing out this fuel pump.
Yeah.
I ain't hearing nothing. Y'all see this hooked up? You need a little love, that's all.
Yeah.
As you can see, this thing is a wiring disaster. Whoever did this must have had a personal vendetta against electricity. And me personally, I'm not even about to sit here and waste my brain cells trying to figure this mess out. So instead, I did what any sane person would do, and I dropped the fuel tank, because sometimes the best way to fix bad wiring is to avoid it completely. So I've been working off camera. I got the fuel pump dropped down off of this bad boy. We realized that wiring in that last clip that I showed you was pretty. I don't know who did it. They ain't do it right. So your boy finna try to do it right and get some power to this fuel pump. What I did, I took the harness, ran 2 leads to it. I got a battery right here in usual fashion, and I'm just going to put some power to this fuel pump and see if it turned on. As y'all can see, we got the fuel pump out. Yeah. He over here supervising while I'm putting in the hard label. But we got the fuel pump out. Whoever wired it last, as you can see,
they did a piss poor motherfucking job. Man, what the f is this?
This is terrible. I don't know what they did, what they tried to do, but what they did, they had these 3 wires right here. They not even the same gauge, man. I don't know what they was trying to do.
Blow up.
That's about the size of it. You might be on to something, but we finna go ahead and test this fuel pump one more time. If it doesn't work, we're gonna go get another one, and then we also got another project over there that we need to work on. So we finna have to make a parts store run. I'm gonna test this pump real fast though. So after testing the brand new pump, turns out it's about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Useless. Bro, that's not even the right connector. Something told me to put power to the old fuel pump, and man, this is the old pump.
That's old.
Yeah, you gotta stop taking it to them crackheads.
Well, yeah, you got a point there. I guess I would definitely at the time. He's right. They stole my damn barrel. Took the barrel with them too. No, I'm not telling you. Yeah, nobody about on the barrel.
So from here, I'm just running leads to the positive and negative terminals so I can run power to them.
I'll tell you.
There we go.
The only other thing now, I can put the tank back in, put this in, is running wires from this to the battery until we get a relay or something. That should at least let it start up though. So we're about to throw this old fuel pump back in and then get the fuel pump back up in place. And technically it should run. So let's get to it. All right, so getting the gas tank in, easy peasy. But putting it back together, man, that took longer than a family reunion. I swear it felt like I aged a decade down there. But I finally got the gas tank in and everything plumbed back up. Now I'm gonna test it one more time to make sure, because I'm not doing this again. All right, y'all, we got the tank back in. About to hardwire this fuel pump to see if it works. Uh-huh. You alright?
This all went down so fast, it caught everybody off guard. Me hurrying to rip my hoodie off and swat the flames like I'm in a WWE match. Old school running around trying to find a fire extinguisher like he's searching for his glasses. And my brother? Well, he was frozen in place like a deer in headlights. However, this fire raged for about a minute, but luckily we got it under control before it turned into barbecue. The cause? Oh, just a mysteriously missing fuel injector, and you know what that means. Cough, cough. The Heron heroes have struck again. But hey, at least we didn't blow the car up, just a minor setback with a lot of fire involved.
We may have had a casualty. But they'll start a fluid, mix with that gas probably.
Yeah, and it backfired.
Uh-huh.
My camera died. You look down in that hole down right there, you can see that there's a fuel injector missing right here.
Tomorrow.
Hey, I thought it was gold.
Oh, yeah, that boy had started burning pretty good on this side. I had started smelling bacon and sausage. Shit.
Hey, I thought it was gold.
Oh, man, that got me too. That brought back some memory there. What I call that. Damn it is.
He said bacon and eggs and onions.
Pork chop, chicken. Everything I cook. Everything we cook.
So we installed the new fuel injector. Make sure it ain't on fire.
Oh, yeah.
So, y'all, I did a lot of work off camera. We did get the truck wired up. It's kind of rigged right now. We are going to go back and redo this. Just had to get this out of here in a timely manner, so we got it to a point to where it can run. We rigged up a kill switch to it. We flipped the kill switch on. Don't know if y'all can hear it. Fuel pump running. Go inside and that's all I got for y'all. We gonna get some more. So that's it. That's all we did. Get it running. I'm gonna get some more content on it and say it one more time.
He gonna kick. No hot chick ass. Any goddamn day of the week.
What, Monday,
Tuesday, Monday, yeah, all of them. And bring your mom and dad in.
Everybody can get it.
Everybody can see this. Day 3.
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy J-Lo, and we came here for the start of the show. I'm finna show y'all the aftermath of this mud catching on fire, man, and I'm telling you, look, that video, it caught me off guard itself, but you see, everything's over it. The culprit, like I showed you in that last video, was that fuel injector, but we went ahead and replaced that, so that's no longer an issue. We got that resolved. There was also a lot of oil coming out of this. I think it's like a blow-by or something like that that was connected to the intake manifold. It caused a lot of white smoke to come out, so I disconnected that for the time being, at least till we get to where we're going to. I'm gonna throw some gas in it. I went ahead and bought seafoam. Throw some seafoam in it, let it go through, clean up the engine a little bit, and let's get to it.
This is not a sponsored ad, but honestly, it should be because I swear by this stuff. Seafoam. I put it in just about everything I drive. It cleans fuel system, it works wonders on injectors, and you can even put it in your oil to help clear out carbon deposit. This stuff is basically WD-40's cousin that went to college and graduated. You can do just about everything except drink it. Please, for the love of horsepower, do not try to drink it.
We got some wire loom here, and then we also used butt connectors. I don't know if you can see them, but we did use butt connectors. You can see one right there. I hope that's not poison ivy. We used butt connectors right there. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and use a heat gun to shrink those down, and then I'm gonna throw the wire loom over it just to protect it. It's gonna be this maiden voyage, you know what I'm saying?
So right here, I'm just shrinking the butt connectors and wrapping everything up in wire loom because, believe it or not, I actually want this wiring to look legit and less of a fire hazard. And I gotta say, it came out pretty dang good. I'm gonna go ahead and add Wiring Wizard to my list of abilities. Now these are the final touches before we take this thing on a test drive, and hopefully, and I mean hopefully, we don't break down or worse, go up in flames. I'm not saying I expect trouble, but I'm bringing a fire extinguisher just in case. Now here's the real question, and you can go ahead and place your bet in the comments. Are we making it to our destination, or are we calling a tow truck?
Alright, we're finna get it started. Alright, y'all, we're getting ready to set off on this maiden voyage. Well, is it maiden? This is new to me, so this is my maiden voyage with the new project truck. It is running, it's idling, holding temperature well, got gas in it, so we should be good. I'm about to have a little fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get closer to home first though. So before I do that, I'll let y'all know. As y'all can see, we have not even made it to destination yet. And we have a flashing check engine light, or it's solid now, but it'll keep flashing, so it is misfiring. It has me in a limp mode. I can't go over 25 grand. So we're just gonna putt it till we get to where we're going, and then I'll look deeper into it. It's always something, you know what I'm saying? But at least it keep content rolling. Always something, man, God. Oh!